How fast is your toilet?
Yes, an important, hard-hitting topic we're exploring today. How fast is your toilet flush? Is it high performance? Well, let me tell you, the Fluidmaster 400 AH is not high performance. You know, our house was, these toilets were put in about 5 years ago, and so within about a week, 2 of them started to fail and run all the time. So we bought this thing at Lowe's. It was a little bit more expensive, and the performance is actually worse. It takes 40 seconds for this thing to flush and refill, and it comes with a little like water restrictor that's been completely removed. It just, you know, it just takes too long to flush. We don't want to wait that long, do we? No?
Like, what's taking so long?
Yes.
It's already done.
Well, it takes too long to refill. So what I did, I got on Amazon. You can actually remove that top cap if you twist it right without even taking it out of the...
That's a new one, Dad.
That's the old one. So I took the new one out and I put the old one back in, and I got this $2 washer on Amazon, and I stuck it back in there and just basically stuck the old one back in. That's the old one I took out because it was running all the time. And now watch, it flushes in 20 seconds. So you cut your flush time in half with a cheaper model. Now, after about a week, it started whistling a little bit. It started whistling like a banshee. Maybe we can play some audio of the whistling sound for a second. Yeah, so it whistles, but the flush time is back down to 20 seconds. So went to Lowe's and got the full thing, the 400A on the left, the 400AH on the right, and the 400A on the left. The AH...
Is that our old one?
You know, that's a new one. When the washer, replacing the washer works, but it makes a noise, so I just replaced the whole thing. This only has a 5-year warranty, but I'd rather replace it every 5 years and have my toilet flush in 20 seconds than wait 40 seconds. That's it.
Yep.
See you next time for HD toilet flushing, right?
You.